Hi everyone, I am Sanket Agarkar, coach, author, and founder of Elevated You. And this is your weekly mini dose of mindset detox with mini trainings Ho'oponopono for careers. Today's topic is letting go of the fear of promotion. Yes, I know. You say you want it, the bigger title, the better pay, the new role, but somewhere deep down, something inside whispers, are you really ready? What if you fail? What if they find out you don't know everything? Sound familiar? Let's clean that today. Let me tell you about my client, Rohit. Rohit was a sharp, sincere project manager at a multinational tech firm. Brilliant guy, great work ethic. Had been recommended for promotion 3 years in a row. But guess what? Each time it was offered, he found a reasonable excuse to avoid it. That is really surprising. The, he has been offered promotion 3 times in a row, and he was trying to give excuse to himself, gives multiple reasons to himself to avoid that promotion. Surprising, right? Like he was giving reasons like timing is not right. We are expecting a baby. I'm thinking I should upskill first. My current boss might need me here. Right. I said, Rohit, are you running away from leadership or running away from something inside you? Then came the truth out. He said, I'm scared. What if I can't handle it? What if I burn out? What if I fail publicly? That's when he started cleaning. Not his LinkedIn, not his resume, but his subconscious mind. Because you see, fear of promotion is not fear of the title. It is fear of being seen and judged by others, leaving your comfort zone, being responsible for others, outshining your own parents or mentors, or maybe just fear of losing the old identity. These are inner memories, subconscious patterns, not facts. And this is where Ho'oponopono comes in. Here we say, I take 100% responsibility. I created this fear. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Not because we are guilty. We are not blaming ourselves, but because we are ready to stop renting space in the mind to old patterns. You wouldn't believe the kinds of fears that pop up during promotion. One client told me, I'm scared. My relatives will ask me for more money once they know I got promoted. Another said, I will have to talk more in meetings. What if I say something stupid? Then I told him, well, you will say stupid things for free anyway, but it is better to do it with a raise. Okay, yeah. So it is not about perfection. It is about letting go of the fear that says you don't belong at the next level. Let's do a short cleaning right now. Close your eyes. Keep your hands on a heart. Please don't close your eyes if you are driving. Now, think of that promotion or opportunity that feels too big or too far. Now, silently repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility for the fear, the self doubt, the old memory that is creating this hesitation. I am sorry for believing I am not ready. Please forgive me for carrying this fear so long. Thank you for showing me what needs to be healed. I love you to the part of me. that is trying to protect me. And take a deep breath, hold, release. Now remember, you don't need to fight fear. You just need to clean it. If this clicked for you, then I invite you to take the next step. Join my free Sunday webinar where I walk you through this cleansing process in detail. In this live session, you will discover why certain career patterns keep repeating. You will learn how to use Ho'oponopono even in the middle of chaos. And most importantly, clean your inner blocks in real time. Want to go deeper? Check out the Career Growth Mastery course designed for professionals ready to grow with purpose, peace, and promotion. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because every week we clean up a little more dust. So your career can shine like the gold it is meant to be. I am Sanket Agarkar. Thank you for cleaning with me today. Your next promotion doesn't just need a new strategy. It needs a new inner space to hold it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next mini webinar.